Good evening all of you. Today I will discuss about the topic of body cavities. First, body cavity means the body cavity are the space in the body which hold to protect internal organ or important organ. There are the two types of the body cavity. First is dorsal body cavity and second is ventral body cavity. Dorsal body cavity, the in cavity in the front of the body means sorry, dorsal body cavity means the cavity in the back of the body, or ventral means the cavity in the front of the body. It's called as the ventral body cavity. First is dorsal body cavity. Dorsal body cavity, the cavity houses of the brain, spinal cord and meninges. This cavity are protect the brain, spinal cord and vertebral cavity. Second, second is abdominal. Second is abdominal pelvic cavity. The cavity contain of the stomach, liver, lungs, glad bladder bladder sorry bladder, the bladder and most of the small intestine, urinary bladder and internal reproductive organs. Third is thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity is the secondary largest body cavity. The thoracic body cavity contain main organ of the cardiovascular cardiovascular organ and respiratory system uh, system, and is enclosed by rib cage, vertebral column, etc. Fourth is ventral cavity. The cavity is filled with the fluid and surrounded the vertical organs. Surrounded the vertical organs. Fifth is pelaria. Pelaria means this thin layer of the tissue cover the lungs and lines of the chest cavity. It secrete fluid to lubricate the lungs and allow them to move smoothly while breathing. Body cavity are the space that support the body's internal organ and covered by the serous membrane membrane. The serous membrane has the two layer vesicular layer, which is the next to the organ, and the parietal layer which is the outer layer. Parietal layer is the outer layer. Functions of the body, functions of body cavity. Next is functions of the body cavity. This cavity contain and protect delicate internal organ, and the vertical cavity allows the significant changes in the size and shape of the organ, and they are perform their function. Anatomical structure are often described in the term of the cavity, in which they receded. Next function of the body cavity allow internal organ to grow and move independently of the outer body wall. Thank you.